Hey, I'm Alex. I'm the Employability and Engagement Officer at DBS, so that's making employment more accessible for students. A big part of that's the one-to-one sessions I do. Today I'm here, we're talking about networking and communications, the how we network, what networking's about, how we can do it in a really genuine and easy way, and what we're looking to get out of it. We're also going to talk about communications and maybe some styles of communications in different media. Yeah, enjoy. So how do we create a mentor relationship with someone? How do we do that? It's kind of scary, in my mind at least. How do we create a mentorship relationship? So here's my human way of creating a mentor-mentee relationship where you're benefiting from someone's experience. You have some connection with them. You're in conversation with them. It doesn't have to be a super developed connection, but you're in conversation with them. And then you are going to ask them for what you want. Hey, can you listen to this sample and tell me what you think? Or hey, I'm having real trouble finding jobs. What other examples might mentors help us with? What's something that you could use a really experienced person's opinion on right now in your work, whatever you're doing at DBS? Anyone?
Some research, for example.
Sorry, speak up.
Research. Like for example, if I'm researching something in particular that like we didn't cover on the
Yeah.
I can just like send an email.
Mm-hmm. So is that a specific piece of technical knowledge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah. Thank you for the example. So we're looking for a specific piece of technical knowledge. So you're in conversation with someone who might have that specific piece of technical knowledge, and my advice to begin to create this mentorship relationship, to create this mentorship, is to say, hey, do you know X? Do you know this specific piece of technical knowledge I'm looking for? And then they reply, and if they do help you with that, here's what we do. Here's what we do. Sorry. Here's what we do. We say thank you. You've helped me. You've given me what I want. Thank you. Always say thank you. Be nice. Principle of connecting with people. After we've said thank you, we ask if this can happen again. And often with a, hey, I appreciate you might not always have time for it, but is it okay if I send you questions again? Or is it okay if I contact you next time I need help with creating this sample or this piece of technical information? Okay? They've helped you once. That's a point of reference. That's history in your connection with them. And we can build on that history. Okay? And we're asking permission. Is it okay if I message you again? So it's not like, who's this person? Again? It's like, hey, yeah, I invited them to talk to me again. I said, yeah, you can message me if you ever need help. And if you acknowledge that they won't always have capacity, hey, I know you won't always have time, but do you mind if I send messages again? Or hey, I know you don't always have time, but could I ask for feedback again? You're giving them that control to say, actually, like right now, I'm super busy this week, but maybe I could get to it next week. Or hey, I'm super busy right now. Or hey, I'm actually not interested in, I don't have the mental energy or the emotional bandwidth to take someone under my wing and mentor them. And then fantastic, you're not wasting your time. Start a mentorship relationship, honestly, by asking for something you want. If they give it to you, thank them. Be nice. Ask permission if you can do it again. Hey, this is really useful. Can I ask you again? And that's how mentorships can develop organically. Just that continual rolling, hey, I'm asking you for support. When you've got the capacity, you're giving it to me. And the relationship develops from there.